What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video to YouTube. Pretty convenient considering I make YouTube videos. Now the last video I done was actually how to delete a video, so I thought it's probably going to be a good idea to know how to actually upload a video as well. So this is the tutorial on that. I have got a little video here set up. It's literally just being recorded on my webcam and I'll give you a quick watch of it. Oh, hi there. So I'm a video, I'm getting uploaded. Belter. So that's literally the entire video. Now of course that video doesn't really have much to it, it's just me talking. I'm assuming you'll have some actual content you want to put on, but in my case I'm just going to be using this for an example to show you how the upload process works. So if we go into Google Chrome here, you can see that I've got YouTube open. Now you don't have to use Google Chrome. As far as I'm aware, you can use all major browsers, i.e. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you've got. I'm pretty sure you can upload a video on that. So yeah, once you're on YouTube, what you're going to look for in the top corner is this little plus icon, this camera plus icon. If you click on that, you'll get a little drop down here and you can see you've got a few options. You may not have the go live option depending on your channel size and stuff, and you may also not have the create posts, but you should have the upload video. If you've got that, you want to click on that and now that'll bring you to the upload page. When you're on here, you can either click to upload a file or you can just drag and drop it straight on. Now, because I know where it is, it's just on my desktop and I've actually got the folder open already here. I can just drag and drop it on, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click, drag and drop like so. Now this is going to be the upload page. If it is the first time you are seeing this, it may be a little complicated, and you can see how quick this video is actually uploading as well because of the size of it, with it being such a small video. Most videos will take a lot longer. My usual 5 or 10 minute video will probably take about 20 or 30 minutes to upload. Of course there are many factors which can affect this, so don't worry if it is taking longer than this. I pretty much have never had a video upload that fast, or at least a legitimate video. But yeah, so that's basically the bar at the top where you can see how long it's going to take until your video uploads. You've then got this button in the corner which basically when you make any changes to any of the settings down here, it'll basically act as the save button and also the done button in this case once you're done uploading. So I'll go through the boxes. You will be able to see that my boxes are automatically filled in. That's because I've set something else up which automatically fills them in for me, so I don't have to write the description every time I make a video. And when I've got a description which is 1000 characters long, of course I'm going to need something to make it a bit automatic. So if you want a different video where I show how to get the automated defaults in, then just comment that down below and I'll make a video on that. But starting off, I'll show you this box. So this box is the title box. This is where you add the title to your video, and in this case I'm going to call it, because I am an amazing title person. And then you've got your description down below where you can enter in a description of the video. So in this case I could go, this video is intended to demonstrate how to upload a video. So it could be something along those lines, maybe have a bit more in-depth stuff to it, but I think we'll just leave it as that for this video. Next you're going to move on to your tags. Now your tags are essentially keywords which people can search for to find your video. There's a lot of stuff you can look into in terms of tags and SEO or search engine optimization, and you can find out a lot of complicated stuff if you want and find out how to get your video shown on search results better. But for this I'm just going to basically explain some basics of what you'll want to do. So let's say for example you're making a gaming video on Fortnite. Some useful tags would probably be Fortnite to start with, and then you'd want to do gaming, and then if you're on, let's say you're gaming on PC, you could do PC, you could do PS4 or PlayStation 4, and you basically just want to bulk this out with as many relevant keywords as you can, because this makes it more likely for people to find your video if they search for those keywords. So basically think about anything you may search to get this video and then put those keywords in. So in terms of my tutorials, I obviously do Vegas Pro tutorials a lot, so I've already got to actually put in Sony Vegas into my tags automatically because I know that's what I'm going to be using a lot. I would also put maybe Vegas Pro 16, Magic's Vegas Pro tutorial, Vegas Pro how to, and if you look at pretty much any of the descriptions, if you look at the tag section of any of my videos, you'll see there's a lot of tags. Now I believe you do actually need an extension to view any tags on a video, so if you do want to get the extension I'm using, it is the vidIQ extension, and this will allow you to see a bunch of stuff about other videos, and one of these being you can see the other tags on the videos. But yeah, you can add tags in here. It's basically what people are going to search for to find your videos. To the right, you may have the new premieres button. Now, I know not all channels have this at the moment, but what this basically does is, if you tick the box, it's going to show to all your subscribers and anyone going on your channel that you have a video coming up, and it's going to premiere on a certain date that you can set. And when it gets to that date, it's going to play the video kind of like a live stream, so everyone who's watching it will be watching it at the same time. And then once that little live stream's over and people have had their talk in the chat and stuff, it'll just turn into a normal video. So it's a good way to hype up a video before it's actually going public. I've used it a couple times, but not loads. But if you do have that feature and you want to try it out, I just recommend having a mess around and seeing what it's like. Then you have the privacy options down here. Most of you will probably want to make your video public, but let's say, for example, you just want to keep the video between yourself and friends and you want to share it between some friends. Put it unlisted, and then it means whoever has the link to the video can click on that link and then open the video up, but people just can't find it publicly if they don't have the link. Private means only you can see it, regardless of if people have got the link or not. So this could just be if you want to maybe save a video and put it up at a later date or something along those lines. And the final one is scheduled. So if you know when you want your video to go up, but you don't want it to go up now, you can schedule a date. This is what I use for all my videos. I schedule my videos to 3:30 PM, so let's do that, on either a Wednesday or a Sunday. So let's just go, it's currently Friday the 8th, so I'm going to put this at Sunday the 10th. And then if I was to hit save or publish at the top, it would publish on that date and go public on that date. The next option allows you to add a video to a playlist. So if you have a set of videos, maybe you've done kind of like a series, you can add them to that playlist and it just kind of groups all the videos together. You'll be able to see on my channel I have all my Vegas Pro tutorials grouped into one playlist, as well as a few other different playlists. I'm not going to bother adding this video to a playlist just because it doesn't really fit in any at the moment. And the final thing at the bottom, the final important thing anyway, is the thumbnail. So YouTube will automatically pick a few frames from the video which you can use as the thumbnail. You don't know what the thumbnail is, by the way. It's basically the little image you get before you click on a video, so when you see the preview of the video. Now, I would highly recommend making your own thumbnails in either Photoshop or GIMP. If you want me to make a tutorial on that as well at some point, I could do that. But yeah, I'd highly recommend making your own thumbnails and putting them on, because you can make it a lot more eye-catching and stand out, and it'll make your videos look more professional as well. So make a little thumbnail and you can slap it on here. But that's all the important stuff you need to know. There's some stuff about translation which honestly I've never ever touched, so I'm not going to bother explaining it. You've got monetization, which you will have to hit a certain threshold on YouTube to actually become monetized, so I am going to leave this out for now. But if you are monetized, essentially these are the only options you have anyway on this page, and you can either monetize it or not monetize it, and then you can actually choose what type of adverts you're getting on your videos. But mostly it's not important if your channel's not big enough to have the advertisements anyway. And then you've got advanced settings. Now you can have a look into these. They're nothing too important. I would recommend choosing a category, however, a language, and just keeping the video license, keeping the license to a standard YouTube license. Everything else should be the same. If you're not bothered about going into these settings, there's not really much of a reason you'd need to anyway. So yeah, just leave most of this out, except for the category. The category is probably the most important on this page if you haven't already set it. Everything else should be a good standard already. But that's how you upload a video. So if I click publish on the corner now, wait a second, and there we go. Your video will be published on Sunday, February 10th, 2019. So we can see that's worked successfully. If we actually click on the title here, it'll take us to the watch page, and then we can watch the video and see what it's like. Oh, hi there. So I'm a video. I'm getting uploaded. Belter. So there we go, that's how I upload a video to YouTube. That's where I'm going to end this video. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did find it helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video. If you would like to see more tutorials on my channel, then just tell me down below what you would like to see and subscribe for some more videos. But that's it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.